Student, today we are discussing about the topic solution. So first of all, what is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Remember, it is an homogeneous mixture of two or more components. We are discussing about homogeneous. So first we should know what is homogeneous, what does it means. So homogeneous means it is a type of solution in which the composition is same. Two or more components, they may be more, but at least it has two components. It is a homogeneous mixture. Then we are talking about what are the components. The components of a particular solution is solute and the another one is solvent. At least these two components should be there to make a solution. So what is an example of solution? So we take an example of solution. First we are taking water and then we are dissolving sugar in it. So this particular mixture is an example of solution. Why we are calling it solution? We have taken homogeneous word in consideration and we have also taken two or more components. So जब भी आप इसको डिसॉल्व करेंगे वाटर के अंदर, शुगर को आप इसमें ऐड ऑन करते हैं तो ये मॉलिक्यूलर लेवल पे आपस में इंटरेक्ट करके और एक दूसरे से मिक्स हो जाता है. यदि हम बात करें इन दोनों के स्टेट्स के बारे में तो ये लिक्विड स्टेट में प्रेजेंट है ऑलरेडी और ये सॉलिड स्टेट में प्रेजेंट है. लेकिन जब भी आप इसको इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो ऐड करने के बाद वाटर से इंटरेक्ट ये मॉलिक्यूलर लेवल पे करेगा. वाटर से इंटरेक्ट करने के बाद जो इसकी मॉलिक्यूलर स्पेसेस है, वाटर के अंदर जो इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेसेस होती है उसके अंदर डिसॉल्व होकर शुगर पार्टिकल्स जो है वो आपस में इस मॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस के अंदर चले जाते हैं. अब यदि हम इसमें डिस्कस करें कि वाटर के अंदर ये चला गया, दैट मींस हुआ क्या, ये डिसअपियर हो गया और ये भी एक ही स्टेट में आ चुका है. दैट्स वेयर द होमोजेनस वर्ड्स कम्स इन. यदि हम बात करें, सपोज आई हैव टेकन टू सैंपल्स, वन फ्रॉम द सरफेस एंड अनदर वन फ्रॉम द बॉटम. So in the case of sugar solution, both the taste of both the samples will be same. That means the concentration of the sample or the concentration of the solution is same throughout. That is uniform composition. This is called homogeneous mixture. And one more thing, because sugar has disappeared and gets into the intermolecular spaces between the water molecules, that means both the components becomes in same phase, same state. That's why we are calling it homogeneous solution. We are having two of the components. One is solute and another one is solvent. So the one solute is the minor component which get dissolved in the solvent, and the another one solvent is the major component which dissolves something in it. So guys, this is called the solution.